First, open Pinocchio on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, be sure to check out our previous video for a step-by-step guide. Once inside, tap on FaceFusion, then select the share option. Now, depending on your network setup, choose the right mode. If both devices are on different networks, go for public node. If they're on the same network, select local network. Now, restart Pinocchio, head back to FaceFusion, and tap Run Default.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
Within moments, you'll get an IP address to access FaceFusion on your mobile. You can also scan the QR code for an instant connection.
Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
And that's it. Now you can experience FaceFusion on mobile effortlessly.